Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Rituraj Ravi Lapanchai ba kajing kem ne ki arngot ki Dkhot ke Khasi Students Union KSU Halor kajing sya penyap ki nong bela ba jela hai chamati kadai ke ba la le Halor ki jing yok sai pat ki Sakhi sabut ki ba Khlaiñ bha ula ongru banadu kesngi bajia kajing sya penyap la stang ke jing toket Balaya kren ya ki nong Sakhi ya kajing dia balayo banlum ya ki Sakhi setar bat ki scientific data nalor kajing tip ya ke ke bajia ha kene kesngi ula ong ha kajing toket layok sai lot bat Halor ki Sakhi setar ki ba Khlaiñ la kem ya ki angot.
From the date of incident, the moment of incident, we have been investigating this case as per the provisions of law, and we have progressed in that as per the evidences that we have collected, as per the witness accounts, and as per all the scientific data that we have collected from PO and all other relevant facts of the matter. Now, the investigation, the leads that we received, and based on very strong evidences, only those arrests were